Hey everyone, today we're diving into Kubeflow versus Kubernetes. These are two powerful tools for managing tech workloads. In just a few minutes, we'll explain what each is, compare them, and help you decide which is best for your needs. Let's go. First, Kubernetes, or K8s. It's an open source platform for orchestrating containerized applications. It automates tasks like deploying, scaling, and managing containers. Think Docker across clusters of servers. It's the backbone for running apps reliably at scale, handling everything from load balancing to self-healing. Now, Kubeflow is a machine learning toolkit built on top of Kubernetes. It simplifies deploying and managing ML workflows, offers tools like Jupyter Notebooks, pipelines for automating ML tasks, and model serving with Kserve. It's designed to make life easier for data scientists and ML engineers. So, how do they compare? Kubernetes is a general-purpose orchestrator for any containerized app, giving you fine-grained control over resources. Kubeflow, however, is specialized for ML, abstracting Kubernetes complexity to focus on data science workflows. Kubernetes shines for broad DevOps tasks, think web apps, databases, or microservices. It's highly flexible but requires more setup for ML. Kubeflow streamlines ML-specific tasks like training, tuning, and serving models, but it's tightly coupled to Kubernetes, so you need K8s to use it. Which is better? If you're running diverse apps or need ultimate control, go with Kubernetes. For ML workflows with less hassle, Kubeflow is your pick. Check out this chart for a quick breakdown. That's it, guys. Kubernetes for versatility and Kubeflow for ML magic. Drop your questions below and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.